Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shivali, and if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I'm so happy that I'm finally putting out this video. This is a review video of Wow Skin Science. Now I have got so many requests from you guys over the years to make my honest review video on Wow Skin Science products, their hair products, their skin products. Now I finally got my hands on a few of their products. This is, I think, the charcoal range. So I'm going to give my full review. If you want to see, please continue watching. These are all the timestamps where you can see the entire video. I'll be talking about the company, the claims, the pros and cons, and of course my experience. So if you want to see, then please continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's just begin. Now starting with the brand. Now Wow Skin Science is a brand which is located in India, made in India, and their headquarters is located in Bangalore. All their products are free from any chemicals, parabens, sulfates, colors, silicone, and every nasty thing. So they are a totally clean brand. Now I got 3 of their products. The first is this. This is the activated charcoal face wash with the activated charcoal beads and tea tree oil beads. I'll just get into that. It suits all skin types including oily and acne prone skin. Next is this. This is the charcoal face scrub. Now this has activated charcoal, extra virgin olive oil, vitamin B3 and B5. Now this is also for all skin types, and it helps in clearing blackheads and minimizing pores. Good claims. I'll tell you what I feel about it. So the next and the last thing is this. This is the activated charcoal face mask, and it claims to remove pollutants from your face and give you a good radiant skin. So let's just begin with my experience. Now starting with the face wash, I really like this face wash. I have no problems with this face wash. It doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't leave my skin very oily. It doesn't leave my skin very dry, and especially in this summer season, I am enjoying this face wash. Honestly, I have no bad words for it except for one con. I'll tell you later. So I have got no problems with this at all. I really like the activated charcoal beads. I really like to squish them out in my face wash and then apply it all over my face. My skin feels clean after I apply it. It really makes my skin feel soft and really hydrated. At the same time, doesn't make my skin feel very oily. I'm happy that this is good for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone skin, because it's so difficult to find a good product which will suit oily acne prone skin, because my skin is very sensitive and it did not react badly with this face wash at all. So this face wash is a thumbs up from my side. The only thing which I thought could be listed in the con section is the fragrance. Now this has a very strong, like, aftershave kind of a fragrance. It has a very manly aftershave kind of fragrance, but I said before, I don't have a problem with fragrances, honestly. However, I was a little skeptical when I first applied it. I thought that I was gonna get a reaction because of all the fragrance there is in this. I don't know they put it artificially or not, but I felt it. After some time, you don't feel it. Like, once you get used to it, you don't feel the fragrance. But if you're very sensitive to fragrance, then I must tell you that this is heavily fragrance. Now I use that word a lot. So next is the charcoal face scrub. Now I think with all of these 3 products, the fragrance problem is there. So please make sure that you try it out, patch test it out. Otherwise there is no problem. I have got very sensitive skin and I have faced no problem with these products. It doesn't itch my skin, doesn't burn my skin. I thought that my skin would feel itchy, but the fragrance, maybe it's just, I don't know what it is, but it did not react badly on my skin at all. So coming back to the charcoal face scrub. Now this is also free from any parabens and mineral oil, and I really like this scrub because it is a charcoal. First of all, it really gets rid of the pollutants. It leaves my skin very soft and smooth, and I don't feel like the beads in this particular scrub are very harsh. I don't feel that at all. They are in a light to medium variation, if you know what I mean. Like, you won't feel hurt after you apply this face scrub, and your skin will not feel like it has been bruised at all. I have seen many face scrubs do that, but this will not do that. So this is a thumbs up from me. And coming back to the last product now, this is the face mask. I'm really happy with this face mask. First of all, this is for 499 rupees and you get 200 ml in this. I mean, that's amazing. When you open it up, this is what the packaging looks like. You get a brush along with it. This is the brush that you get along with it. Very nice, very smooth brush and easy to clean as well. And the product itself, it's super soft. It glides onto your skin so easily. It's not bumpy, it's not lumpy, it will not leave your skin feeling irritated, or it will not give you any rashes. I mean, for my skin, it did not do any of that sort. I just applied all of these products to make the video which I'm showing you right now, and I felt the texture so smooth, skin felt so soft after I removed it. So right now I have applied nothing but a little bit of concealer and some compact. That's it. That's all I have done, and lipstick and eyebrows. But apart from that, I have not done anything to my skin, just these 3 products, and my skin is feeling very soft. My skin is feeling very fresh, and trust me, if you want to try anything out of these 3 things, I would recommend you to try the face wash and this face mask. This is an amazing thing. However, I would tell you, in any skincare, honestly, not just this skincare, just whenever you apply a face wash, toner, moisturizer, cleanser, face mask, exfoliator, whatever you are applying, in whichever manner you are applying it, please give a 2-minute break between each and every product. Otherwise your skin will feel itchy and you will feel the burning sensation on your skin. I'm not just talking about these products, any products, any skincare products, please give a break for 2 minutes to your skin, to come back to that level. So coming to the pros and cons of all these 3 products. These products are easily accessible. They are free from, the entire brand is free from any chemicals, parabens, silicones, etc. that could harm your skin. I really like that the beads in the scrub are soft, that your skin will not get bruised. I really like that the face wash doesn't burn or itch your skin, because that is a very common problem in many skincare items. I really love the texture of the face mask. It's so smooth and glides on so well. Then I really like that these products, all of these products, don't itch or burn my skin, because I am from the sensitive skin family, and if you are from that family, you know what a problem that is. I mean, don't even get me started. Now for the cons, which aren't that many, just one con which I've already told you about. This is very heavily fragranced. So if you have a problem with fragrance products, this might not be the product for you. But apart from that, I really love these products. Yes, fragrance problem थोड़ी सी है, I felt that a little bit, but after some time वो ठीक हो जाती है, so I don't even mind. But my final review, I give 4.5 out of 5 star and thumbs up to all of these products. I'm really enjoying using these products, honestly. I use this face wash every day, day and night. I love this face wash. Check out their website in the description box below, and make sure to try something out or the other, and let me know which product is your favorite and which product you will purchase out of these 3 products. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!